Here, see it. But thank you for bringing Pagtatag to LA.
Where are you from again?
I'm local. Inland Empire, Corona.
Okay.
Thank you again.
How do you feel about?
Oh, I feel so emotional.
Umiyak kayo?
Oh yeah, I feel teary-eyed because of yung naranasan nila.
What's your message to the others who are watching this in San Francisco?
Oh well, just continue fighting.
Thank you.
Oh, I really love it. It shows yung yung pagiging passionate nila sa craft nila. So I really love it. Thank you, thank you. Nakakaiya. Wait, baby.
This is your son?
Yes po. Sorry po. I slept through half of it. It's a good movie. It's a good documentary. At least we've known them.
How do you feel about the movie?
Oh, good. The documentary. Yeah. Keep it up.
And you guys?
It was good. Made me cry.
Mixed emotions.
Naiyak ka ba?
Yes. Like the New York leg and yung issue about sa name nila. But yeah, I'm happy that overcome nila yung problem.
So you're from San Francisco, di ba? You're from San Francisco. You're going to watch it there again?
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it on the 8th, December 8th.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
About the movie, maganda po. It's very heartwarming. Naiyak ako.
Naiyak ka? Sige, thank you.
Thank you.
How do you feel about the movie?
I'm happy. I'm proud of them.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Kasi ito daw siya, hindi ko siya makita. Hindi ko alam kung ano. See you again next year. Yes, of course.
How do you feel about the film?
How do you feel about this? Great! Yay! It was amazing. We wanted more. I wanted to end. I know.
Oh, ito interview natin to. How do you feel about the film?
It's good. It's good. Documentary.
Hirap pala sila, no? Hirap pinagdaanan nila. Galing. I love their songs. Tila Luha. Hi, Pablo. Hi, Stel. Ito. Oliver, hindi ka dito.
Nandito ako sa Mora.
Hindi ka na... Oliver, saan ka? Ganun ba? Dito lang daw.
Thank you. Ano masasabi mo sa film?
I was so happy to be here. We got here 1 a.m. from Atlanta.
Oh, wow.
Our goal is to bring SB19 to our hometown in Lawrenceville, Georgia.
You're going back to Atlanta when?
We go back tomorrow on a red eye. We got in on a red eye flight
Oh my,
last
so
night.
you just came in for this?
Came in for this, and Mapa is my favorite. That's how I met SB19.
Are you looking forward to their US, Canada tour next year?
Yes, looking forward to it, and I'm so glad my friend Grace actually introduced SB19 to me, and I have already shared it with my nieces and my daughter, who is learning her heritage, Filipino heritage, and she's been back to the Philippines and so excited to meet all 5 of you. Mahal lima.
Thank you.
I'm Del from Atlanta. Baltazar.
Okay, thank you.
Thank